Hi, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to create mulch for your site plan. So go to your Blasting Site tab and click Split. So you're going to want to click and select the site plan that you already have created, the topo surface, and I'm going to start drawing around the edge of my building of where I want the mulch to be. So in this case it's in between these two little jutouts. I'm going to use the spline tool so I can get the full effect of the mulch design look. And so when you're finished, make sure all the lines attach to the end of the building and they're all connected. So when you're done, click the check mark and it should be done. But it's still the material of the grass and I'm going to want mulch, so I created a new material named mulch. And so now it's the correct material, but it's still like the same elevation as the grass. And so you're going to want to go to place point and place the points all around the mulch that you created so it can have an elevated mulch effect, kind of, so it just looks more realistic. I just placed the points like around the edge, so most of them are kind of like evened out. Okay, so when you're done with that, click the check mark and there you have it. You have your mulch design.